Hey beauties, and welcome back. It's your girl Toni. Let me just say, I'm not going to be the one to put restrictions on how you apply makeup just because you're over 40. Because some of you over 40s is looking like the new 20s, okay? But as a beauty expert, I am going to emphasize to double up on your skincare, especially your moisturizer before your makeup application. And that's all I'm going to say about that. Coming up is one of my current favorite foundations, Estee Lauder Double Wear Light. It's a 24-hour wear. It's going to get you selfie ready. It reduces the look of pores and imperfections. It doesn't transfer onto your clothes, so it's one of my favorites. Oh yeah, let's talk about the eyes. The eyes are the windows to the soul. On this Glamazon, I emphasized on her crease. I definitely emphasized that liner in her lash line. And then what queen doesn't want to add full volume and length to her lashes? So I definitely added a nice flirty set of falsies. There's nothing like a nice sexy pair of strip lashes. Highlighting and contouring, I'm never going to take that out the game. But for a woman who's over 40, if you're having issues with sagging, it's definitely going to firm up your jawline. Oh yes, that's it. Air spun, old school air spun. That's one of my beauty secrets. There is a difference, guys, between setting powder and finishing powder. If you don't know, definitely DM me, drop your comments. I'll let you know. But that air spun is a setting powder. Firm it up, firm it up. Bobbi Brown Brick Illuminator. I love it. It's a softer version of a highlighter, but I like it. You want to give that skin a nice natural glow, even over 40. That is Bobbi Brown's finishing powder. A big difference between a finishing powder and a setting powder. If you don't know the difference, I'll let you know. That was Max Fix Plus finishing spray, not a setting spray. There is a difference. If you don't know, let me know. Drop your comments. I'll school you. It's nothing like a sexy nude lip on this Glamazon. Thank you for being my model, Korah. She about to turn it out. Yeah, she getting ready. Oh, she ready. Blow up that skin. It's nothing like a beautiful glow, even on the body. She ready. Thank you for having me, guys. Please like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think about this.